All right, we are now in the analyzing lyrics stage. So in this step, you're going to be selecting an image that represents each verse, and you will be writing a 2 to 3 sentence analysis for each verse. So you're going to do this by going back to the graphic organizer you submitted in the previous step. So that is going to be this graphic organizer. And then you're going to complete the analysis section next to each verse. So as you can see, each section has a place for an image, and then it has the place for your analysis. So in this section, I chose an image that represented something within that verse, and then I wrote out an analysis showing an example of why I chose that image. So in this verse, I'm stating my claim that racial and gender biases have been rooted in our culture for so long that many people are mindlessly going along with dangerous and racially biased policies. That is why I referred to people as sheeple. And so I'm comparing people to sheep mindlessly following a herd. I used this image of the graph to show that the wages of middle and low income groups have basically been flat for the last 30 years, while the wages for the top 1% have increased dramatically. So you can see in this analysis, I covered some of the specific lyrics. I also touched on the image. That is where you can see each analysis can be a little bit unique, and it'll give you a little bit of freedom with your analysis. So going back to the step, we do have um, some guidelines. So your analysis can highlight a particular line or lyric, as I stated. It can describe why you chose the image to represent the verse. You can also summarize the meaning of the verse in general and what message you're trying to send. So we do have a couple lyric analysis resources. So these are some websites that analyze songs. So you can go to them, look up different songs, see what type of deeper meanings the lyrics have. And then for your ability to review, I have included the lyric analysis example so you can see the images I chose for each verse, and you can see the analysis description I wrote for each verse so that it gives you a little bit of an idea of what we're looking for. All right, have fun with this step.